This is Sky News weather online at skyweather.com.au. This is a severe weather alert.
Quick update now on the severe weather warnings in force for northern Queensland, where we now have a tropical cyclone Penny, a Category 1 system that has formed just off the coast of Weipa. Now, even before this system arrives, though, we have severe weather warnings in force for flash flooding for the area from Cooktown to Lockhart River. That area could see over 150 millimetres of rain today in 6 hours. There's also a warning for the northern tip of Cape York Peninsula, including Thursday Island. That's for flash flooding, damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres per hour and abnormally high tides. And we now have Cyclone Penny, the second of the season. It's a Category 1 system. It's heading steadily towards the east. Should make landfall later on Tuesday along the west coast of Cape York, directly near Weipa, a town of 4,000 people. Probably making landfall only as a Category 1 system, slight risk of a Category 2. It's unlikely to be widespread damage from wind with a system which is on the lower end of the scale. However, heavy rain will continue through northern Queensland over the next few days. Flood watch is in place for all catchments north of Cardwell. Also, we have already some minor to moderate river flooding. The worst of it is along the Daintree River. If you require the assistance of the SES following severe weather, their numbers on screen, 132 500. Close call for Sydney last night before the fireworks. We had thunderstorms rolling in at around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m, up to 15 millimetres of rain. They generally had cleared up by the 9 p.m. fireworks, and thankfully for the midnight fireworks, we didn't have any rain. Further north, though, across the Hunter, those storms did linger towards midnight, so the fireworks there had to be cancelled. We're expecting, though, warm and dry conditions for most of the country to start 2019. Sydney, 29, slight chance for storm in the western suburbs. There's just the very slightest risk of a late shower or storm in Canberra. Just warm and dry otherwise, 35 degrees. Your heat wave continues. Slight chance of light shower in Hobart, 25. Dry in Melbourne, sunny in Adelaide, 32. Sunny in Perth, 31. But there will be showers and storms across the northern tropics for Queensland. Heavy rain today north of Cairns with the risk of some flooding. Showers for the rest of the tropical coastline, including Hamilton Island. You can pick up some showers today. Here we go. A great shot there of the sunset last night. It was a wet month, though. Nearly 400 millimetres for Hamilton Island in December. There's a risk of storms towards the southern Gulf, but the rest of western Queensland looking sunny and hot, apart from the far southwest, where some gusty storms are possible today. Also, the odd storm right down near the New South Wales border. So we're looking at storms this afternoon around the northern ranges of New South Wales. There's only the slightest risk of storms for central and southern parts of the state. So generally just warm, partly cloudy, still hot, a heat wave through these western areas, 39 in Dubbo, and technically we're still in a low-intensity heat wave for eastern parts of the state. Canberra, for example, hitting 35. It's still more than 5 degrees above the average. We've got a dry day on the way for most of Victoria. Apart from the eastern ranges, a good chance of afternoon showers and storms. Some fog clearing from the south. Now it's starting to warm up again, hitting 25 in Melbourne, and we're still hitting the high 30s in northern Victoria. They never saw a cool change, so still a heat wave for those northern parts of the state. We're expecting showers through western and southern parts of Tasmania today. It's unlikely we'll see too much, though, on the east coast. Wow, that's an incredible shot. I need to book a holiday at Cape Bruni, that's for sure. 25 in Hobart today, 28 in Swansea, so quite warm through these eastern and northern parts of the state. And there's those light showers in the west. No showers for South Australia. It will be a sunny day throughout. Mid-20s along the southern coastline. We're climbing over 30 through central parts of the state, and the heat wave rolls on through northern parts of South Australia, 40 the top in Cooper Pedy. Light showers for the far southwest coast of WA, 24 the top for Albany. Hot conditions through the inland, 42 in Kalgoorlie. It's also very hot through the northwest corner, Coral Bay. Spectacular, yes, but hot. 7 consecutive days over 40 degrees for that northwest corner of WA. And again today, temperatures up around 40. Look at Newman, 45. Storms are likely through the eastern parts of the state. Hot and dry through the interior. Alice Springs has already had 7 consecutive days over 40. Today will make number 8, 43. Tennant Creek, 43. Storms are likely across the top end. Some of those storms could be gusty, so there is the risk of severe thunderstorm warnings.